What's up guys, welcome to GameTake. In today's video we're going to show you how to download and install the Scs Extractor, because in the next few videos we're going to need it. So let's dive into the mod files and let's go. Okay, so first off we want to come up to your web browser and type in Scs Extractor. That will bring us over to this page, modding SCS soft. Then you come onto this page and just here, this is for the extractor, and you want to click here, download it. That will then take it to your downloads folder. Now I've already got it. After dragging it out of our downloads folder, we're going to right click on it and we're going to extract it into its own folder. It brings it here, we'll click on it, and that will give us this. Okay, so then what we want to do is we want to create a new folder. We're going to call it ETS 139 def and paste copy. The reason it's got the 139 is because for each new game that as the game updates to whatever version you're on, you need to do it for that. If you're on 138 or whatever, or if you've gone up to 140, do it for 140, because you need a new one every time you want to use this extractor. And so once we've made that folder, we're going to drag the extractor out and put it into that folder. So we've got our copy, so we don't need this now. So what we need to do then is we need to go and find our root folder for where we've got our game installed. Now for you guys, I'm guessing it might be C drive. For me it's D drive, so I'm going to open up my files. I'm going to go into D drive because I have mine installed elsewhere, and you want to then go to where Steam Apps, Common, and there's American Truck and Euro Truck. Open her up. We want to copy the base SCS. We're going to copy that and paste it into our new folder. And then go back to our game, and we're going to come down and we're going to look for the def folder. There it is. We're going to right click that and copy the def folder. Exactly the same thing. Come out of that and place it into here. Okay, so that is how we download the Scs Extractor, and we're ready. I will show you quickly how you would do this for extracting it. Open her up, and supposing we're doing the base folder, we just click on the base folder, drag it into the extractor, and this box will pop up. Now you've got to let this do its thing. It's copying your base folder now into the extractor, and you just got to wait for that to disappear. You can see things popping up behind it. I'll move that over here. Still just wait for it to disappear. This can take quite a while, so make yourself a cup of tea. By doing this way, we're not in any way harming the game. The game is still there in its thing. All we've done is opened up a copy of the base so that we can take a look inside the files and know what's in there. For anything that we want to make a change, we're only changing the actual copy. Okay, so once that's disappeared, next thing we're going to do is we are going to, in here, we're going to make a new folder. We're just going to call that def copy, and I'm going to copy the SCS Extractor into there. Right click, copy that, open that up, paste that in there, go back, and then right click and copy the def folder and put that into there. Right click, paste it. Okay, and then we drag the def folder and do the same thing. Now this should be a lot quicker. Just for your reference, the base game to extract took nearly 15 minutes. So same again, we'll wait for this to disappear, and then you're free to make any changes that you want. So let's wait for that to go. So that was much quicker. That was just a couple of minutes. Okay, so let's go into the def folder and have a look. As you can see, loads of different bits and bobs in here. But hopefully we'll be making some changes to as we go. And if we go back to the def and base copy, We're going to go in and have a look now in the base folder. Let's come down to vehicle. You can see what's in here then. And you come to truck. Here you can see there's a list of the SCS trucks. And if we were to go to, say, the Scania 2016, we would see that there's interior. And we'll be coming in and making adjustments to all these in the next video. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to just right click on the def copy. I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to paste it onto the desktop just for a second. And I'm going to make a new folder. Just call it base. And I'm going to move those files into base. And move that file into base. This file into the base. And then these ones here. So these are all the files that were extracted then into the base file. And then I'm going to right click on that, cut that, paste it. So that way you'll always have just a copy with these three. This is a copy now, and then on your main desktop you've got your two files to play about with. Move that up out of the way. And then the last thing I'm going to quickly show you is, so if you're going to make some changes, let's say to a truck, you would come in, right click the vehicle, copy it, and then just paste it onto your desktop. Okay, so we can move those out of the way. We don't want them now. All we would want is our vehicle folder. So let's suppose that you've made some adjustments to, we'll go into our vehicle folder, truck, Scania 2016, and let's suppose we've made some changes to our interior, and we've gone in and we've adjusted loads of things, etc., which we will be doing in a later video. But all you need to do then is click on the folder that you just changed, add to archive, and we're going to change this to a zip. Compression method would be store. We would rename it testmod.scs and click OK. Yours would come up with the WinRAR symbol on here. Mine comes up with Notepad because I did something a little while back and I can't get it to change back, but it doesn't matter because there is your SCS file, and you would just stick that into your mod folder in EuroTruck, and that would be your mod. It's as simple as that. Okay guys, so that is how you download and install the SCS Extractor and how you extract the base file and the def file. And you've always got them here up on your desktop, and I've even pulled the vehicle file out ready for the next video. Okay then guys, I'll catch you in another one. Bye for now.